feels quite comfortable and...
Well, it was cold outside, right? And as soon as you walk in here, it's really comfortable.
Yeah.
And the most cost-effective way to do that is double glazing windows and get it insulated properly, which this has.
People think that when you want to build a sustainable home and talk about energy efficiency, that it's an expensive exercise, but it's actually not if you make smart choices with things like windows and insulation, and this build is a perfect example of that.
It's only around 5% on top of your build costs, so it's not a huge amount of money to overlay to get a sustainable home.
That kind of upgrade, it might be hidden behind the walls, but down the track, it's actually adding value to a home. I really like all the separate zones. It's zoned well. Oh, here we go, George, on the couch.
Get comfortable.
Don't fall asleep. But even the heating and cooling, you can see there's all different vents through, which is zoned as well. So I guess what we want to be including in our home is the double glazed windows.
Good insulation.
Yes, really important. And this nice, comfortable, beautiful, fresh palette. Well, now that we've seen this home built with Sustainability Victoria, we can pinch a couple of those
Definitely
ideas.
just take a few ideas and slap them in the pocket.
Yes, yes. And, you know, Team Rebuild, we can do that.